Hello there, and thank you so much for stopping by the channel. Welcome to WTF Mortgage. I wanted to prepare you really quick because the information that you're about to see on the interest rates is going to look a lot different from what you're accustomed to seeing on the web. This morning, in fact, in preparation for this video, I Googled mortgage rates, and I went to the videos and I counted down the search results, 70 videos, and I found only 3 mortgage people making videos about the rates. And in fact, 2 of them didn't show up until one of them was like at 50 something, and the other one showed up at like 66. The other videos on rates were put out by a combination of real estate agents. I saw a CPA in there, some people that put themselves out there as real estate investors, and I saw some people that do videos to help people on their personal finances, and then there's the news media. Now, I checked out all of those, and I don't mean to sound like a prick, but every single one had either inaccurate, outdated, or incomplete information. And the news media especially was more like incomplete information. And again, not trying to be a prick, it's just that it's different. The information is different coming from somebody like me. I've got 26 years straight mortgage experience from the banks, equal time at the banks, brokerages, and lenders. I'm triple licensed, and I do this every day for a career. So just wanted to prepare you. That's why the information is going to be a bit different. So thank you for tuning in. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, here we go with the pricing. And please try to, if you can, please just stay for about at least 2 minutes and 30 seconds, okay? So what you have here, this is the pricing from last week here, and this is the pricing for this week, the week of February 26, 2024. Now, quick reminder, the APR. The APR is a representation of the fees associated with the advertised rate. Also, you could say the fees that have been added into the loan for this advertised rate. On the left, this is the advertised rate, and this is the APR. Lenders are not required to show you the fees in their advertisements, but by law, they are required to show you the APR. The APR is a representation of the fees. That's why they don't have to show you both of them. And what I want you to learn after watching more and more of my videos is the relationship between the APR and the fees. That way, when you see an advertisement out there online or anywhere else where they don't show the fees, but they show this APR, you will actually have an idea of the fees associated with that rate. So here we go. Now, pricing did go up. You can see, we're going to just address 2 of these rates, and then maybe you can pause the video, come back and check out the rest. So we're going to talk about the lowest one here, this 5.75. Now, another quick reminder, I'm sorry, lenders can advertise whatever rates they want to. There's a band of about 21 rates or so, and within that band of 21 rates, they can advertise what they want to. They advertise what they think is going to draw in the most customers, to get the most people interested in either calling or applying for information online or just applying for a loan. So you're going to see right now the lenders are advertising right in this range right here. This is where you're going to see this range of advertisements when you go online or see the rates posted anywhere else. That's why I have selected these rates here. So the 5.75 rate has an APR of 6.181, as you can see here. Now the fees associated with that, $15,837 in fees. Now, look for last week, this went up. Last week it was 15,155. So it did go up a little bit, but I want to bring your attention to the APR. Notice the APR last week for this same rate was 6.162, and the APR went up along with the fees, as you can see. So it went up to 6.181. So I want you to notice those subtle differences when you're shopping online. You'll be able to know. Now let's go down to the 7.25 rate. So last week, the 7.25 rate had an APR of 7.25. The rate and APR are the same. That indicates there are no fees associated with the advertised rate. The higher the rate is above the APR indicates more and more fees associated with that advertised rate. So you can see here, the APR and rate were the same. There were no fees and a credit of $59. Let's jump to this week. The fees went up to $280 for this rate. And notice how the APR went from 7.250 up to 7.258. So please keep that in mind when you're shopping around. Remember, it's not about the rate, it's about the fees. We all have access to the exact same rates. It does not matter how big or how small the company is. It doesn't matter if we're a bank, a brokerage, a lender, a credit union. We all can get the same interest rate. The difference is going to be the fees we offer that rate for. So in reality, you are actually shopping for the fees. Okay. Now, also keep one more thing in mind. Look down here, the disclosures. You're going to see that these are the loan disclosures. The loan amount at this pricing is based on, the credit score this pricing is based on, the value this pricing is based on, the occupancy this pricing is based on, the taxes and insurance that this pricing is based on. If your loan amount is different, your credit score is different, your value is different, your pricing can vary. So you have to remember that when you're looking online, if you have not viewed their disclosures section, which they are required to show you by law, you click on their disclosures, you can see if your loan amount is a lot different, be prepared, you're going to have different pricing. So this is the interest rate and fee update for the week of February 26, 2024. If you have any additional questions, go ahead and slap those in the comments, because I'm sure other people will have the same question. And enjoy, and I will see you on the next one.